Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to give you the full step-by-step process on how to connect WhatsApp to N8N. You'll see a variety of triggers, but for this setup, we're going to use On Message. To connect your account, click into the node and select Create New Credential. As you can see, we need a client ID and a client secret. To get those, we need to head over to business.facebook.com. First, ensure that when you sign up, you create a business portfolio. Click Create App, give your app a name, add your contact email, and hit Next. Select Others, again click Others, click Next, and choose Business as the app type. Select your business portfolio, click Create App, and enter your password when prompted. Now that the app is created, let's set up the WhatsApp integration. Click Setup at the bottom of the product list. On the next page, click Continue and navigate to API Setup in the sidebar. WhatsApp provides a test phone number. This is the account we'll use to send messages back and forth. Under Recipient Phone Number, add your own personal phone number. Before sending a test, click Generate Access Token at the top. Copy that token, then click Send Message. You should receive a text on your personal WhatsApp account confirming the connection is live. That's just the first part. Now we need to bring that client ID and client secret back to N8N. In the Facebook Developer Console, go to App Settings, then Basic. Copy the app ID, which is your client ID, and paste it into N8N. Then click Show next to the app secret, copy it, and paste it into the client secret field in N8N. Once you hit Save, you should see Connection Tested Successfully. To see it in action, I'll execute the workflow. I'll go to my WhatsApp and type, "Hello, is this working?" Back in N8N, you can see we've received the message. If we check the output data, the text is right there. The final step is configuring N8N so we can send messages back. Add another WhatsApp Business Cloud node, but this time select the Send Message action. Click Create New Credential. This time it asks for an access token and a business account ID. Go back to the API setup page on Facebook. Copy the WhatsApp business account ID and paste it into N8N. Then, generate a fresh access token, copy it, and paste it in as well. Save the credential and the connection is verified. Now select the test number provided. Then, for the recipient number, you'll usually pull this dynamically from the inbound trigger. The WhatsApp ID is essentially the sender's phone number. We'll set the message to say, "Hello, how are you?" though you could easily hook this up to an AI agent later. Execute the step. Check your WhatsApp, and there it is. The full connection is complete. You can now both receive and send messages through N8N.